Review of the Home Coffee Roaster Machine. Sold by Shillington EU. Introducing the Home Coffee Roaster, your perfect companion for fresh, aromatic coffee at home. This versatile machine is ideal for beginners, offering easy operation and cleaning. Simply select the required temperature for different roasting needs, ensuring uniform and perfect roasting. Not just for coffee beans, it can also roast peanuts, popcorn, cocoa, and raw melon seeds. With a large 1.6 pound capacity, it's perfect for crafting your favorite caffeinated drink from scratch. Adjustable temperature and timer functions make it extremely user-friendly and convenient. No stovetop is required, and its compact design fits perfectly in your kitchen or cafe. The non-stick interior and safe handle design ensure easy cleaning and handling. Enjoy no-smoke roasting with a transparent lid, allowing you to monitor the process effortlessly. The adjustable temperature allows for precise control, and the results are fairly consistent across different batches. Consistency in roasting is key for achieving the perfect cup of coffee or craft chocolate, and this roaster generally performs well in this area.